Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make a seed stitch. So for this stitch we will make a slip knot like this, and for this seed stitch we will make any odd numbers. So today I am going to make 12 chains, foundation chains. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 12, and plus 1, this stitch will not count, so we will skip this stitch, and the next stitch we will do a single crochet like this, and the next stitch we will do a double crochet, yarn over and pull through this stitch, and now we have 3 stitches on our hook. So yarn over and pull through these 2 stitches, and then yarn over and pull through these 2 stitches, and this will a double crochet. First we will do a single crochet, and then we will make double crochet, and in the other stitch we will do single crochet, and the next stitch we will do a double crochet like this. We will do single crochet and double crochet all over this foundation chain like this, single crochet and double crochet, single and double like this. In the end of the stitch we will always do a double crochet. We will start our work with single crochet and we will finish our work with double crochet. So this form we will like this, and now we will make a chain like this. Now we will turn our work, and the very first stitch we will do a single crochet, and the next stitch we will do a double crochet, yarn over, pull through these 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through these 2 stitches. Then next stitch we will make single crochet, yarn over, pull through these 2 stitches. Now yarn over and pull up the loop, and we have 3 stitches on our hook. We will yarn over and pull through these 2 stitches and pull through these 2 stitches. This is our double crochet. We will do single crochet and double crochet all over this foundation. Single and double, single and double, single, and in the very last, this is difficult to see, but you can see this is the last stitch. This will be double crochet in this last stitch. Very beautiful stitch. You can see, you can make blanket or scarves and other things from this stitch. We will make a single chain, and then we will turn our work and start with single crochet, and the next stitch double crochet. Very simple and very easy stitch. I hope you will understand.